Mrs. Hinch has given fans a peek at her stunning new farmhouse with alpacas, a tranquil room and a massive tree mural. The cleaning expert, 31, has also dedicated an entire room for the family's dog, Henry. 8. Mrs. Hinch gave fans a peek into her new countryside mansion. Credit, Instagram. 8. Her alpacas make the most of the sprawling grounds. Credit, Instagram. 8. A huge tree mural takes pride of place in son Ronnie's bedroom. Credit, Instagram. 8. While their dog Henry also has his own room. Credit, Instagram. Mrs. Hinch, real name Sophie Hinchliffe, recently shared the news that she'd splashed out on a huge 5-bedroom countryside mansion that she's called Hinch Farm. Sharing footage of her 3 alpacas in their sprawling grounds, the mum of 2 gushed over how much she loved her new pets. She could also be seen sitting on a bale of hay and tucking her fluffy babies in for the night in a cute clip. Inside the property, a huge tree mural takes center stage in son Ronnie's room. Sophie is mum to 2-year-old Ronnie and Lenny, who was born in May last year. With 5 bedrooms to decorate, the social media star admitted, "We have a lot to do," but was keen to show progress on the revamp. Work is also being done on a special snug room. She explained, "I keep calling this the tranquil room. It will be a room to relax. No TV in here, just a comfy sofa, a coffee table, books and a posh chaise longue. With paneling, greys and creams running throughout the country house, the decor in the dog's room is no different." Sophie said unashamedly, "Bedroom 4. aka Henry's room. Yes, Henry is my dog. Yes, he has paneling. Yes, I'll get trolled for this. But who cares?" She also proudly showed off her black and white monochrome boot-room, because right now it's the only complete room in the house. Revealing her favorite space in the entire house, Sophie uploaded a snap of her grand staircase. New beginnings. She said, "As a home account I've realized now that it's just as fun to post the progress, the reality and everything in between. So here we go. This is our staircase here at Hinch Farm and it's by far one of my favorite spots in the house. I can't wait to make this entrance even more special if I can and take a zillion pictures of the boys growing up sitting right here, maybe even the alpacas too, smiley face. Thank you all for continuing to follow this crazy journey of ours, that since 2018 seems to be getting crazier and crazier. Lots of love, always 30. Best pal Stacy Solomon commented, "Staircase of dreams, romantic face, romantic face, romantic face, romantic face, romantic face, romantic face." The cleaning guru has single-handedly made cleaning fun again and has more than 4 million followers on Instagram. Cleaning up. The Sun recently shared how Mrs. Hinch has mopped up a whopping £1.5 million in the last 12 months. she has doubled her money to take her company's worth to £3.1 million, new figures have revealed. She cleaned up in the 12 months to the end of April last year after earning megabucks from her best-selling books, TV work and money-spinning social media plugs for home care products. Her meteoric rise to fame began in March 2018, when she decided to chart her cleaning obsession on Instagram. 3 months later, the housewife reached 1 million followers, called Hinchers. As well as cleaning tips and product recommendations, Mrs. Hinch shares her personal life on her page, including her 2018 wedding to husband Jamie, at Essex stately home Gosfield Hall, and the birth of their first child, Ronnie, in June 2019. 8. Sophie was keen to share her progress on the revamped credit, Instagram. 8. But she admitted the boot room was the only completely finished space credit, Instagram. 8. There are a total of 5 bedrooms in the huge property credit, Instagram. 8. Sophie makes a point of putting her alpacas to bed each night credit, Instagram. We pay for your stories. Do you have a story for the Sun Showbiz team? Email digishowbiz@thesun.co.uk or call us direct on 0207 782 4220. We pay for videos too. Click here to upload yours.